What's going on, and welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a quick video, kind of a mini unboxing and overview of, this is the standard iPad, the base I think it's 2022 actually, 2021, 2022 iPad. Previously we had a 2017 iPad and it's starting to show its age. So these are both the base models. I'm not sure of the whole specs. I think this is 8.9 inches and the new one's 10 point some. This one only has 32 gigabytes of memory, so the battery life and the memory, the storage, 32 gigabytes of storage is starting to show its age. So we decided to get an upgrade. No, the screen's not cracked. That's just a screen protector. So this is generally my wife's computer. I have a 2018 11-inch iPad Pro that I've had for a little over a year now. So we got this for $279 from Amazon. It was that price at Best Buy, Micro Center, basically Costco, anywhere it's pretty deeply discounted for only costing $329 retail. My wife does not care about USB-C charging. She doesn't care about 120 hertz refresh rate screen. She doesn't care about color accuracy. She uses this to watch Disney stuff, HBO stuff, YouTube TV, things like that. Our toddler uses these from time to time also, so that's kind of why we have two, one for each of us. I'm not really sure. We probably don't need that, but we both use them pretty frequently, mainly to watch content. It's just to actually watch content. So it's a nice feature for that. So you're not going to get much in the box. It's a standard. I am curious to see what it looks like compared to her old one. Her old one, we've had really good luck with it. We bought it through the Apple's refurbished store, and we've had really good luck with it. We'll get that next. So you don't get a whole lot. Their standard design thing. Still USB-C to USB or Lightning cable there. If it focuses on that. Probably won't unless I get out of the screen. That's probably my one big negative, is that it hasn't switched over to USB-C. You do get a power brick, which is nice. That you actually get that standard in the box. We already have one that I actually bought when I got my iPhone 13, 12, 13 Pro, whichever ones. They didn't come with the chargers anymore. So that's what you get there in the box, which is nice. And then here we go. Open this up. They only had silver in stock that was $279. For some reason, the gray one was $299. So we went ahead and got the silver one. Powered on here. Actually, yes, it is. It is a little bit bigger. So I assume it's got a magnet on it, because these things, probably for the magnet for the pencil, but you can see the size. I don't even know if it'll turn on. The design is the exact same, so the power's dead, so it needs charge. The design is the exact same, so it doesn't have the flat bezels. Compared to, or the more equal bezels that you get on like the Pro models or the iPad Air. I really wanted to get her an Air, but she did not care. She really wanted the cheapest thing we could get. And this one comes standard with 64 gigabytes of storage. So that's it. For $279, I think it's a good deal, especially if you're in the Apple ecosystem, which she is. Don't pay more than $279 for it. Definitely. And if you're going to get a refurbished one, and it's the same price, definitely get a new one, just in case you want to throw an Apple Care or anything like that with it. So that's it. I'm really happy with the overall, I don't know the whole specs. It's like the A13 Bionic chip, which is a huge upgrade from this one. I think this one had the 10, maybe even the 9. So it's going to be a huge upgrade in performance. Battery life, because this one's almost 5 years old, and she uses it a lot, almost every day. So we really wanted one that was going to do a little bit better for us down the road. The design is not anything compared to some of the Android ones in the equivalent market. It's extremely dated, if you ask me, but the silver doesn't look bad actually. It looks better than I imagined it was going to look. I'm more of a kind of the gray. Give you an idea of the difference here. There's definitely a magnet in that. It definitely sticks to it on this side. So you can definitely tell. But the size difference it's almost the same size as the Pro. Actually, it's a little bit smaller. Probably a little bit easier to hold in the hand. It's definitely lighter. Actually, no, I wouldn't say it's even lighter than the Pro model is. feels about the same weight as 2017, so you're not going to notice much of a difference, but it is a little bit increased in size. So I think it's 8.9 to 10 on this. So that's it. Great purchase for the money, especially if you use these a lot, which she does. And that's it. I'll get a long-term review of this up as we use it. It's probably going to be positive, especially for the price point, just to pre-warn you for that. But that's it. Have a good rest of the day, weekend, whatever's out there, and I'll see you guys next time.